Hi and welcome to another episode of Fun Studios.
Woo!
And in this episode, we are going to be doing three microwave recipes that we found on YouTube.
Yeah, so it's gonna be pretty cool. We're testing them out. We're gonna either say if they work or if they failed. Nailed it or failed it. Ta-da.
No, that's Matthias.
Yeah.
But okay,
So the first thing that we're gonna be making is a cookies and cream mug cake by Tasty,
which is a YouTube channel.
Yeah,
We'll link in the description below to the video.
So we're gonna be using this like apple mug. I don't know.
Okay, so we're gonna start out with 4 tablespoons of flour. So we have our giant bowl.
We're gonna get 4 tablespoons. Oh my gosh.
We'll be back after we clean up.
Actually, we don't need to clean up. We'll clean up. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm sick right now. So that's why I sound weird. I don't know why I didn't mention that, but I'm sick.
Because we did a practice video.
No, we didn't really. Oh.
Not really.
Okay, so 1 tablespoon. You know what, we'll just clean up after. It's okay. It's okay, because you already spilled some more. It's fine, Justin. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay, that's whatever.
Yeah, that didn't do
1.
anything. Really?
What?
You just like made an indent in it. That's fine. Just put it in.
2.
2.
That's a little bit too much.
Oh, we have to put 4. Jeez.
3.
3.
This is why I wanted to cut it out, Adam.
It's
Adam's
fine.
like, oh, we're just gonna put the whole thing in there. Okay. 4.
Okay, I need that, by the way.
Okay. Should I let's just get cleaned up first.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll be back.
Okay, this one has a little more. So.
Okay, so now
I'm gonna put in some sugar.
3 tablespoons of sugar.
So, this one's easier. It's not gonna make a mess. How nice that was. Like,
I don't know if you can see that. You can't really see it, but we just have another thing.
We've never tested these before, so this is our first legitimate time.
So 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Oh God, it's getting pretty done.
Wow. Okay. Actually, you can't see the inside of it.
Oh yeah, sure. That's just sugary. I don't know. It's fine.
We should have just had it like a recall.
No.
We'll show it to you before we put it in the microwave.
Yeah, after we mix it.
When we mix it, how about? Okay. So then 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're not gonna cut it this time.
Yeah, because.
Oh, how does this get in? Okay.
Teamwork.
3 tablespoons of sugar.
So now
2 crushed Oreos. These are the Oreos.
to crush them. Let me help.
Oh yeah, I could have just done that.
Yeah, I'm like, what are you doing?
Oh, these are double stuff, but you could just use regular.
That's
sandwich
what we only had those.
Yeah, it just said sandwich cookies on the thing. 2 of them.
Yeah, and it says cookies and cream, so it's pretty much Oreos. Okay, so now dump them in, Justin.
Oh, this is so nasty.
Crushed up Oreos is good.
So this is more of like a personal experience of how to do it, not just like, oh, how to do it. This is how you do it. Oh,
Sorry about that cough. Kind of gross. But, oh my gosh. This is not a big enough mug. At all.
And the other ones are the same size.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh.
How much do they hold?
I don't know.
Do the same thing as me.
It's awkward.
Took a little piece. Okay.
Okay, that's good enough.
Okay.
Next
one is half teaspoon of baking powder. So, here it is. I don't know. Should we just do it in the same clip?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's fine.
Here's our baking powder. We need to open this. Okay.
Unless we make a mess. Which is yours.
So half a teaspoon baking powder.
I'm coming back now.
But compact.
Let's not trip 10 times again. And this is our recipe here, spoiler alert. It's so disgusting in there. I'll have to show you when we're mixing
It's
it.
like, literally, like.
So then I get to do 3 tablespoons of milk.
Okay, we might want to cut this one out.
Yeah, 1 second, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the 3 tablespoons of milk.
Yeah. So, geez, that's a lot of milk. Oh God, I don't know if this is gonna fit.
Are you sure it's 3 tablespoons?
Yeah. It's like as much as sugar. 1, 2, and then.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God, this
You know what? Let's just wing it. Okay. Oh my gosh.
You put it down. Put down. Why did you do that? That was so weird.
Okay, we're gonna clean this up.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a tablespoon of oil. Oh my God, you're still drinking it.
That's good. Okay, so now we are going to. Actually, no, we're not gonna mix it up yet. I have to do the 1 teaspoon.
I get
vanilla
to mix it, huh?
Extract. Okay. Can you get the vanilla?
Vanilla.
Vanilla
Vanilla
pure,
is the best.
It's pure vanilla extract.
No, it's only mixed with water.
It's a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. So.
It doesn't say pure. It just says vanilla.
Yes, it does. It's pure.
No, on this.
Oh.
You're like, it's a teaspoon of pure vanilla.
I was joking because this said pure. Okay, that is perfecto.
It smells too strong. Oh my gosh, you got it. Splattered it. Okay.
Whatever. Okay.
You're so bad.
Now
I like how vanilla is like brown.
Yeah, I know.
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla. It's more like chocolate extract.
Okay, so we're gonna stop the thing here. So we
Sorry about the shaky recording, but
so mix well with fork. That's what they did in the video. So
yeah. So now that is what it looks like inside.
It's kind of gross. Look at that. Oh, and it's all wet. Okay.
Mix it.
ASMR.
What does that mean?
You don't know what ASMR is?
Nope.
Whoa.
Oh, okay, chill out.
What happened? Justin, everyone yell at Justin.
What does that mean?
It's like kind of like when you just hear noises. It's like ASMR.
Keep doing it.
I am.
As fast as you can.
It's like to help you relax. Oh, this looks good actually. Now that we mixed it. Before it was kind of looking like.
So we put everything in there.
Yeah, this is what they did in the video. They used a fork.
Okay, so let's do. I should have done time lapse, but whatever. We're gonna just. This is easy things to do. Even though it took us a while, it shouldn't take this long. I mean, it should take about this long.
Yeah, because like I honestly think the mac and cheese is easier to make if you're hungry. This is a little.
This is like for dessert.
Like if you just.
By Tasty. Okay, so.
It's a little like ambiguous.
Okay, so
you know what I mean?
now then we have to microwave it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh no! Don't eat that. It's oil.
That's good.
Okay.
Actually, really good.
Oh my gosh! You're complaining about me. You're complaining about me. Boy. So Adam, actually, I should put it in.
Whatever, doesn't matter.
Adam's
You can take it out.
Okay. Adam's gonna put it in for 1 minute and 30 seconds into the microwave on high.
We don't have like high.
Yeah, this is a high microwave.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's high. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do. Should we do a time lapse?
What are you doing, Justin?
Guys, look at that.
Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like
overflow.
It smells like Easy Bake.
Uh-oh. Wait, it's actually gonna overflow. Should we stop it? I don't think it's that bad. It's gonna overflow.
Oh God, this is
9, 8, to 16 now. I think it was because I was looking on the how long we're recording for. Okay.
Oh, it smells like Easy Bake.
Oh.
Oh, it looks actually pretty gross.
Okay. So I guess okay. Oh. Okay, let's not burn my
not
phone.
putting your phone in the microwave. That would be a little stupid.
Oh.
Is it hot?
No, it's not that hot.
Okay,
So
maybe we'll get a toothpick and poke it just to see.
It doesn't have any egg in it.
What?
It doesn't have any egg in it.
Yeah, but it might still be the thing.
It's fine. It's 1 minute 30, so we're gonna eat it now. It has to be authentic.
Just poke it and chat.
It's fine.
Yes,
It's
perfect.
fine.
Okay, so we're just gonna get spoons and dig in.
So I'm just gonna take a giant scoop out of it and put it in the
I'm
bowl.
sick.
Take more.
It's hot.
So that looks pretty good.
Okay, that's enough. You can have it.
So now we're gonna eat it.
So, like, when you're baking a cake, you know, and, like, when you make a cake and it comes out of the oven or the microwave, you always have to eat it when it's hot or warm. So.
Oh my gosh, so Adam's like taking a piece, he's like this. He can put it in my spit it out.
Justin's like, no, the video.
And then I just took a piece and I like this and be like, oh. Okay, so we're gonna start.
Okay.
We're gonna start.
The spoon might be hot.
I would say a 7 or 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd rather just have regular Oreos and go through the process.
Actually, I like this better. I would say a 7, yeah. It does have like 3 tablespoons of sugar, but you know, yummy. Okay, so now I am going to make mug mac and cheese from a channel called Household Hacker.
Link in the description below for the video to see how to do it, or you can just watch it here. So, oh gosh. Okay, so
first off, we need a half cup of water.
So we need to combine the noodles and the water and then microwave it for 2 minutes. So we're gonna get half a cup
of the water.
That.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's perfect. Just dump it all in. You need the whole half a cup.
Oh yeah, true.
God, no!
How are we gonna
it's
do
literally up to the top. Watch out! Do you want me?
No, I got this. We're gonna get this all right. We might want to move the placemat.
Here, you can pour the rest.
That was pretty scary, guys. We didn't even spill a drop, and then I just spilled the whole thing.
Okay, so that's gonna use those videos. So
these are small enough.
I didn't do that.
Oh!
Oh my gosh!
I didn't spill a single
Okay,
needle,
so now
guys.
we're gonna have to put this in the microwave. This one takes a little bit longer, but it seems a lot easier. But do a little bit more. Alright, just here. No. Okay, just whatever. There. Second. And it's so disgusting. Should we double it?
No, that's how much they said.
Yeah. Because I don't know if it'd be enough for us. I guess it's fine because I don't want to be eating too much stuff. We're just trying it out. So half a cup of noodles.
This is a snack, guys. This isn't a meal like the last one. Look, that thing was huge.
No, I think this one's a meal. I don't know. So now we have to put that in the microwave for 2 minutes and then stir it.
Take it out and stir it.
And then put it in for another 2 minutes. So yeah, we're gonna.
You can take it out. I don't like
No, you
taking things out.
You can do it.
I'm scared.
You can do it.
Fine.
It's your thing. Okay, so we're gonna.
Oh God.
We're gonna come over here to the microwave.
4 o'clock, guys. No, that's a trivia question.
Yeah, that should be a trivia question.
What time was it when we put in our mac and cheese in the microwave? So 2 minutes.
Or you can just do minute. Okay, that was weird.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
No, happy
Happy birthday!
Okay. Yeah, I have a perfectly.
Happy birthday!
Okay, it does.
Okay, it's not hot, guys. Oh shoot, it's dripping. Okay, just. You have to stir it until your noodles are tender.
Okay, these cabinets are in my way.
Yeah, and the time lapse you just saw was recorded on my head.
Yeah.
Life hack number 1: use your brother's head as a tripod stand.
What was that voice though? Okay, I think you stir.
No, I have to stir it vigorously.
Okay, I think that's vigorous enough.
No!
I just got a slap piece of the chatty.
From some person.
We wanted to give away. Oh yeah. Okay, that was
Stir it even more.
okay, that's good.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so now we're gonna put it back in the microwave for another 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
This time we're not gonna record a time lapse because I don't feel like it. Wait, oh, I gotta close it. That was
like,
I was about to start recording, but we already are recording. Recording
Go!
session.
Watch out, I have a hot fork.
Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Just be quiet for a second.
The water was boiling. Oh my god. This is scary. I'm not gonna touch that thing. I'm gonna let it cool down for a bit. Oh my god, it's gonna boil over. No.
58 seconds later.
What the heck?
I'm too busy in Snapchat to get it stopping. So, okay, Adam's gonna take it out and.
A little bit.
What?
That was scary. It was boiling.
So, yeah, I know, that was crazy. And Adam's like, oh, we have to drain the water because there's no water left in the.
We'll have to
Do you want me
see.
to take it out?
Yes, please.
It's not that hot. Shit, it's kind of hot.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah.
Let's get the glove.
Or this, not both.
Be careful. Don't spill the water.
Okay, that's a good idea. Oh gosh, it's like dripping out of it. Okay, yeah, there's no water left in there.
Oh, there isn't?
Well, there's like a tiny bit, but it's fine.
Really?
No, it's like the noodles are wet. That's it.
I need tissue.
I can't stop it with the milk. Get the milk over there.
Ooh.
We need a fourth a cup of milk.
Oh. Come on, Justin. Why you always lying?
Jeez. Chill out, and you were complaining about me.
I didn't drip anything.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, only on the table. I didn't drip on our little sheet.
Okay, so this is gonna be really. Okay,
what about
go.
Third
We need
cup.
the cheese.
A cheese.
How much?
How much?
Half a cup.
Half cup cheese. That's a lot of cheese.
Hopefully this melts. Because it looks like a lot of milk. Go, hurry up. Before it gets too hot.
Too hot.
Temperature-wise.
Wait, how did it get too hot? Why would it get too
I meant
cold?
too cold.
If it got too hot, what would happen? Like, would the cheese, like, melt into, like, liquid? And it wouldn't melt into, like, cheese and liquid?
Yeah, that's good.
Whoa!
You are not good at
A lot of cheddar. Whatever this is. Oh, this is
mild cheddar.
approximately 2 cups. Nice to know.
Oh my gosh, it's just cheese. Okay, we gotta mix it before it gets...
Mix.
Don't think-
Have a
4 seconds later. No, it's not.
2 seconds later. 1 second later.
1 second later.
Okay, mix.
5 minutes later.
Noises, no.
OPR.
What?
ASMR. ASMR.
OPR.
OTP.
JTP, by the way. Oh, no, you weren't there for that. That was one of my early morning adventures.
This does not look like the video.
We need more cheese.
Are you sure you don't put it back in the microwave?
No, we don't.
Why is just the... No, this is so disgusting.
The noises, though. I think I just need a melted cheese.
That is so disgusting. Should we like drain out the extra milk?
No. We just need to melt the cheese. It's probably like stuck at the bottom.
Do you want to just put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds?
It kind of smells like mac and cheese. Doesn't look like it though.
I don't even know if I want to eat this.
I want to eat it. It looks good. Except the fact that it doesn't look good. I got more cheese. I'm gonna take some artist.
Oh my gosh, it's good
I'm gonna
enough.
take some artist. Oh god, artist freedom.
This is not how the video was. Here, here's a clip of the video.
I thought I was gonna put the video
To find a
in.
quick and easy solution, try instant mac and cheese.
We're just
in
gonna
a
show you
I'm
this.
just
That
gonna-
was how it looked. Like I was supposed to look, and this is what ours looks
I'm
like.
just gonna put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds. Be back. Took like 10 minutes. It's already 4:10.
Don't run with hot liquids.
Yeah, don't run it on liquids, guys.
But Adam said when I saw the video before. Ah!
There we go.
Don't run with hot liquids.
I'm not running. I'm speed walking.
Ah,
That looks a little better.
look at all the milk though.
No, it looks better once I mix this.
So disgusting.
If you smell it, it smells pretty
Use
good.
half a cup of water.
Maybe we're
half a
supposed to
cup
add
of
the
fresh
cheese first.
a third a
No,
cup of
he has
small
the milk
noodles,
first.
and a fourth a cup of milk. Just add the noodles.
I think we did something wrong.
Now
No, it
microwave,
just wasn't hot
just add
enough
a
when we
quarter
added
cup of that
everything.
milk and half a cup of that
I'm
cheese.
gonna just check the video for a second. Adam was like adding a ton of cheese to it and putting it in the microwave for a minute.
I'm gonna fix it.
How he treats his bird.
No. I need you guys for a second. The color wheel goes around and round. Don't
get us copyrighted.
Oh no! We're gonna get copyrighted. Are you okay? Okay. We're gonna get copyrighted. Oh no.
Mine is just chirping.
I tripped.
Oh gosh, what does it look like now?
Oh!
Oh, that looks a lot like what his was, actually.
Yeah, now it's better. It's just that it didn't melt.
Okay, why did you leave the microwave door open?
Because I felt like it.
Okay, go close it now and I'll stir. So,
wasn't a
here's
fail?
side by side,
Until it's nice
of
and
the
creamy.
video and
Your
ours.
delicious
Ooh,
treat
it actually looks like
ready
the
to
video. Hey, do you want? Do you still want? Do you want any of this?
Yes.
Oh, you want to have it now?
Yeah, it looked
Now.
disgusting before though.
Now you want it. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, that laugh is demented though. We're glad that laugh is slow.
Don't. Don't judge us. We're using spoons. We use mac and cheese with spoons.
Oh, this actually looks really good.
Yeah, I know it really does.
Ow, it's so hot.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh,
this looks better than my school's mac and cheese. For sure.
they're gonna watch it and steal the idea.
Oh, it's so easy.
All we have to do is microwave it for 4 minutes.
Well, they can just cook.
Okay,
the
so
pasta.
start eating.
Cooking the pasta has the same effect. It's just that convenience, you know. And get some pepper.
Okay. Need some seasoning, you know. The noodles are cooked enough. That's for sure. Ooh, see, that's enough, You don't need salt in your mac and cheese. I do. I'm gonna try a little bit more. Need more pepper. Not barely any here. Okay, so we're not doing it before. This is what was happening, Justin. Oh. What would you rate this out of 10? I don't know. Let's see with the pepper, okay? I would say, I think we need to cook the pasta a bit more. Yeah. So I would say maybe a 7. The other ones are like 6 or 5. It's getting really pepper in there. So what do you say? It doesn't taste the best, but what do you say? Out of 10. How can we go? I'm gonna give it a 7.
I was just thinking that it's like the same amount of work, maybe
Yeah,
a
no, it's
tiny
easier.
bit less,
It's easier.
but like to make regular mac and cheese because you do like the exact same thing. Maybe just this is.
We just need to cook the pasta a little bit more.
Wait, is it starting?
Okay.
Okay.
Jinx, knock on wood. I beat you. Huh.
Okay, so we have a tablespoon of melted butter in there. I had to put it in for like 45 seconds, 20 seconds ish.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, since Justin doesn't want to do this,
I don't know how to do it.
yeah, and he
Do it on
doesn't.
the cupboard.
I'm gonna crack it on here. And then whatever. Okay, so you have to separate the white egg white. From
You
the
need
egg
one
yolk.
egg yolk.
Yeah.
Oh,
It got all over
so
me.
nasty.
So you have to go like this and like this until it. Oh, whatever. Oh. Okay, just pour it in.
Okay, no, move it. That's all the yolk.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh, that is so disgusting.
It just like broke on me.
It's fine because it's gonna get mashed up anyway.
Yeah. Okay. Let me just.
Oh, that is gross. Use this garbage over here.
Oh, whatever. And we have to wash my hands.
Why am I smelling that?
Yeah, why? Why are you smelling an egg yolk? It's butter. What does it smell like, Justin?
I didn't really smell it.
It smells like
I
butter.
pulled away. Okay, so we're gonna need a tablespoon of white sugar, which we do not have right this second. Okay, so now we're gonna get a tablespoon of white sugar and a tablespoon of brown sugar.
White and black and brown.
Brown. It's brown sugar.
Oh, that it's so satisfying to scoop out. How much sugar do you need?
Tablespoon.
A tablespoon. Sure about
A
that.
tablespoon.
A tablespoon. A tablespoon. A tablespoon. Time. Oh my gosh, doesn't. Oh, you did. You just created a crater.
Okay, perfect. First try.
We're like
expecting?
Wow, very, very cool.
Should I like wipe this out?
Oh gosh, egg yolks are right here.
I was a rebel and I didn't use the button. So.
Oh! Wow, very, very cool.
Why are you singing?
I'm not. Oh, now you can do the brown sugar with the disgusting moldy bread in it.
It's to keep the liquid out of it.
I know, but it's
Oh, it's
gross.
red.
I know, I told you.
Oh, that's nasty.
Red.
But okay. So
Get the
now we
package
need
on,
another
right?
another tablespoon
Yeah, yeah.
of brown sugar. Wow, that broke really easily.
Why does it have to be brown? Because it's gonna be orange. I like orange. Okay, I'll get a little bit more of this. Pack it down. Oh gosh, I just pack it. I packed it too hard that it for the straight thing. Yummy, a piece of cheese. Oh, I dropped it. Just not bend the tablespoon. Tablespoon again. That's again. Close enough. Wait, I got it. Wow, I came out like first try. Okay, now what else are we doing? And we also
Need half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Ooh, I love vanilla. Gotta get the vanilla in there. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, the bread taking out. Oh, God. Okay. So that's that. Vanilla. Oh, there's stuff in here. Oh, I got it out. It's okay. It's okay. Half a teaspoon? Yeah. You sure? Right there. And then we need 3 tablespoons of flour. Why is flour less? You just did good with that. Oh my gosh, what did I do? I dumped some in. You know, I'm put a little less. That's good. Okay. Messed that up a bit. It's a little too vanilla. Just leave it on just too bad. Okay, so
Now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of flour. I have to wash this out.
I love flowers.
We'll be back.
Don't you just love flowers? Ow.
Okay, so
Yeah, why are you doing that? You have your button.
I don't want to take it out my button. I'm too lazy.
I'm gonna say like I don't want to take it out my butt. I'm like,
What?
gosh,
Chill out.
you're like my button.
So I need 3 of these little guys. Okay.
What?
I don't know.
3 of the little guys. Going to my mug and have a party.
We're like big.
Oh!
Replay that. Big.
Oh! Oh gosh, Justin's a mess with the flour. Oh my gosh, last time he did it, it was like poof. Flour's so messy.
Chill.
Sorry.
Tootie tot. Tootie tot tot. Adam got me into that.
A toot. Top.
Can you hold this?
A flour.
Oh, that's kind of good.
It's covered in flour. I mean, it's all covered in flour. I wouldn't say it's all floury, but it's not really a word. I'm trying to proper grammar.
Okay, so that's 1.
Oh no! For your Espanol viewers, dos.
Okay.
Tres. Woo!
I was about to dump that in there.
That would be too silly.
Okay.
Okay, now just want us to mix this.
We're gonna go get cleaned up. Actually, no, I'm gonna clean up while Adam moves the camera.
okay, bye bye. You don't have to stop it. Oh, I don't. Wow. Wow. Legit. Whoa. What did I do? What did I do? I forgot that we had to show the mixing or mine to show the mixing whatever. Okay, we are. Okay, so then we're gonna add some chocolate chips.
Can we mix it like
Yeah.
put it on top or something?
That's what it says.
So yeah.
Oh yeah, we never said who this is by.
Oh, it's by Hello Lana.
Hello Lana. Oh, household hacker night.
Hi.
Hello Lana.
Hi, Hello Lana.
Hello. Hey guys, hello, it's Hello Lana.
No, it's a.
That thing and look at it.
Okay. So now Justin is gonna put some chocolate chips in, but he's gonna mix it in. Let's see what it is. Oh, that looks like cookie dough.
This is 1.5 teaspoons.
Yeah, the one in the video looked gross.
This is 1.5 teaspoons. Whoops.
I love chocolatey chips. Okay, see you back from putting it in the microwave. Ooh, yummy cookie dough.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It tastes really good, the dough.
It tastes like regular cookie dough. That's so good. I know, right?
Yeah, the other ones didn't really taste like actual things. And if this works, I might make more, like another
Later. Yeah, right. I know. Look at the ceiling.
right after this video. Okay, so we're gonna, how long do we have to put it in for?
45 seconds, right?
45 seconds to a minute. We have to check and see if it looks dry. So we're gonna go 45 seconds.
Okay. Be back at the timer. 2, 1.
It fell off my head. So we're gonna see if this looks dry or not.
Ooh, a risky move right there.
I don't think so.
Captain
Right?
Crunch.
I would say do more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells weird. It smells
We're gonna
time
do.
to get funky.
Let's do
10.
10 more.
9, 8, 7,
7.
water. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It says between 45 seconds or 40 seconds and a minute. I'd say more.
Yeah, more. I say 15 seconds.
What?
You rebellious 15 seconds. Be back.
No, I'll do 11. I'll do 11.
Ooh, 11. 3, 2, 1.
This should
Beep. Let's see.
It's so crazy how like it takes forever for cookies and it takes like a minute to do it regular. A little bit more.
More.
10 more seconds.
In the back room now.
That's what it looks like.
It's pretty gross.
No, it looks like a
It
cookie.
looks good, but gross at the same time. Maybe stay right there. Stay right there.
Oh no, stop! It's gonna hurt. Wow.
Malfunction. I'm sorry, guys. That was a malfunction for
So
you.
I'm gonna try to cut this in half.
Yeah, and we're gonna put it out of its little mug.
It smells like butter.
Because it is butter. If you know what I mean.
Look at that. It's so soft. So.
I can't really see anything. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that cutting action.
I just did the same thing.
Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Eat it. I'm watching you.
You put it down.
So I'm making sure that Justin's not gonna eat right now. Eat yet.
Okay, so
you
come
can
back.
just see. Okay. Okay.
Lion just chirped before, so.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna try out this cookie. See how it is. Yeah.
I'm a little.
One.
What?
It's pretty good. I don't know.
I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't taste like more like a cookie, but it's still pretty good for a microwave.
Tastes like butter. I don't know. I'm gonna like a 5.
What?
A 5-6ish. 5.5.
I'm gonna say 7. Yeah, just 7. Basically, I rated everything a 7 because, or 6ish, because, I mean, it is like quick to do and make, but they're not like really the best.
Not as good as like if you actually took your time to make it. So.
Yeah.
Ooh. So, well, hopefully the video here. I hope you enjoyed this very sweet episode of Fun Studios. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.